In this video, we will show you how to connect Spooky2 GeneratorX with Spooky2 Remote and how to install Spooky2 software. Now, I will show you how to install Spooky2 software. First, we need to download the installer. You can see there is a Spooky2 starter pack and Spooky2 full installer. For new users, we suggest download the starter pack as it contains the latest Spooky2 full installer software, the Spooky2 user's guide, the Spooky2 quick guide, and the Spooky2 resources directory. So we left-click to download it. And you can see it is downloading now. Spooky2 starter pack is downloaded. I double-click to open it. Click Spooky2 starter pack, Spooky2 setup. Double-click to install the installer. Click Yes, I accept the terms of the license agreement, and install it under the C driver. Wait when this window pops up. Click Yes, launch the program file, and click Finish. The software says no generators were detected. Exist and install drivers. Click Yes to install. Click I accept the agreement. Are you sure you want to exist? Click Yes. Okay, now the driver is installed successfully. Now the software is installed. Next, I'll show you how to connect a Spooky2 GeneratorX with Spooky2 Remote. GeneratorX contains two generators, G1 and G2. Here I use G1. First, we connect Spooky2 Boost to the Alt1 and Alt2 of G1. We need to twist the wheel to lock the ports. Then, we connect Spooky2 Remote to the BN port of Spooky2 Boost. We also need to twist to lock the port. Then, we can put DNA into the Spooky2 Remote. Next is to connect the USB cable. Then we connect the power adapter. After the connection, we can turn on GeneratorX. Okay, now we can launch Spooky2 software. There are 7 tabs in the software. We can check whether our generators are detected by the software. Go to the System tab and check here if there are 2 generators. Now, we can start treatment by choosing a preset. We usually suggest running terrain protocol as an essential step for new users. It treats you from the small up to the large, helps you to detox, and prepare for the next treatment. Go to Presets tab, click Detox, Remote, Terrain RBY. Then we can go to Control tab, take Override Generator, and choose the port for G1. As we can see in the screen of GeneratorX, G1 is port 36 and G2 is port 37. So I choose port 36 here. After the frequencies are loaded, you can click Start. Now the program is running. Thanks for watching this video.